Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to activate your standard debit card or credit card. So guys, to activate your credit card, all you have to do, just follow me and the steps. The first step, guys, go to the service help and service section and click view all. From here, this service. After that, guys, click under card management, select debit card or credit card. As you can see here, click debit card and credit card. After that, guys, what you have to do is select your debit card from here. As you can see here, select any card you want to activate. For example, this card or this. I have two cards on my account, so this is a MasterCard. If you want to activate this, as you can see here, select the card and select new PIN to your card. As you can see here, select a new PIN, and from here, this is the new PIN, guys, and click next. After that, guys, the step 5, all you have to do from the step 5, enter OTP and send your mobile number via SMS, and send OTP by SMS. As you can see here, as with OTP has been sent your mobile. From here, guys, click success. As you can see here, your card was activated successfully. Your debit card has been activated successfully without. This is the card, guys. As you can see here, this is the card. I activated this my card 34, the last one. As you can see, successful. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget, give like, give share this video for more content.